Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: API token, phone number, and a sheet structure. Once you have the token, open the target Google Sheet and create columns for phone, message, status, timestamp. Then open extensions Right Arrow App script and paste a minimal send function. This calls URL fetch app. Fetch with the WhatsApp endpoint. Make sure to set the script's OAuth scopes for external requests. Run a quick test row to validate authentication. If it fails, recheck token formatting and header names. Once the send function works, build the loop that processes rows. Fetch sheet data with get values, iterate, skip empty or already sent rows, and call send message for each item. Use try/catch to capture API errors and write back status and timestamp so you have an audit trail. For scale, batch requests with a time-driven trigger that runs every minute or 5 minutes. Alternatively, use on edit for single-row sends. Make sure to throttle requests to avoid rate limits and log responses for debugging. Finish by securing and hardening the integration. Move the API token to property service and restrict sheet access. Once done, add retries with exponential backoff for transient errors. If you receive persistent 4xx, parse the error body to adjust payload or phone format. Make sure to record responses and write clear statuses so you can fix failed rows manually. If sending stops entirely, first check daily quotas and token expiry, then inspect logs and app script to find the exact failing step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.